The College of Engineering and Technology at Grand Canyon University offers students a dynamic educational experience that blends classroom instruction with immersive hands-on learning. Our Lopes Live Labs, encompassing engineering workshops, the Cyber Center of Excellence, and the VR Lab, serve as platforms for students to harness their practical skills and expertise. These resources are available from day one of a student's journey at GCU. These programs not only can enrich our students' knowledge, but also empower them with experiences they can add to their resumes. As a result, they have the opportunity to graduate equipped with the skills needed for their chosen career paths.
I'm a Junior Program Development Specialist Intern for the College of Technology. I help prospective students interested in GCU to get more into the technology field. The one thing I love about GCU is it's very hands-on. You don't only have to read about it, you can 100% practice it in class or in lab. It's awesome professors, they will help you with anything. Also the equipment, the labs, the classes, the people, it's really amazing.
Hands-on learning in any degree is super important, but specifically for engineering, what we're doing is we're learning the science and theories behind how the physical world works. It's really cool to be able to see our work not only in theory, but then see it actually play out and physically test everything, and then notice the differences in theory and reality.
We have a lot of projects on campus, either student-led or professors-led, and one of them is the RDP or research projects on campus. So I am part of the AI with psychology and counseling on campus, and in that project I was able to learn a lot of things with AI and also VR and also coding. So I would say it has a lot of opportunities, especially if you want to enhance your knowledge in technology. It goes in a lot of directions.
I think one of the coolest things that I've had the opportunity to do is build simulations online through SolidWorks and other CAD programs, and then from there go to 3D printing and actually physically test things. Studying engineering at GCU has changed me because I'm able to work with so many intelligent people, and we all get to collaborate on a smaller level and understand each other. So we get the personal connection along with the collaboration aspect that's going to enhance our knowledge. And one thing you'll hear time and time again about GCU is the community, and it doesn't stay out of engineering. There's a huge community here and collaboration aspect. The opportunities I have here for the cost, there's no way I could get that anywhere else.